City, that's on my knee, that's on Kiwi, that's on mamas. Nigga don't believe me, come and see me. I been dodging niggas, dodging all that fake shit. All these niggas working broke, but I been getting paid, bitch. All the niggas know me from the street. Niggas asking for a feature, that's like every other week. Niggas talk behind my back, I kick my feet up, have a seat. Cause at the end of the day, all these niggas watching me as I...
Alright guys, first time boxing. It was a tough one, but yeah, I mean, I'm doing all these kind of exercises to keep myself fresh, my mind fresh, if my body is in a very good condition. So yeah, I just keep it fun. Basically just had breakfast and we are going for a boxing class with the man here. He's the Yangon boss. He know everything in Yangon. It's all about the knowledge, right?
Too much knowledge, make it food.
Too much knowledge.
Make it food.
Typical day in the raining season, Yangon. Bữa nay là微博起来的 online 嘛，ดูအပြည့်ပဲเนาะဒီမှာထိုးတာ Alright guys, first time boxing. It was a tough one, but yeah, I mean, I'm doing all these kind of exercises to keep myself fresh, my mind fresh, if my body is in a very good condition. So yeah, I just keep it fun. I mean, I always play football, but you know, it can be boring sometimes. So I have to try out different sports and you know, feel the difference, feel the fun. But yeah, really fun. Definitely keeping the mind fresh and sharp later on. So I can actually see the watch. But this cheese super. Cho nên shoot. Actually see the watch. Nice.
He gon' spin it all cause I ain't average. All I ever wanted was the moon and the stars. Switching niggas like these niggas switching cars. Told him, baby, look, you fucking with a star. I don't wanna take it too far.
Yeah, that boy breast me. Head to toe, I'm gleaming. Yeah, I know they can't miss me. See a boy a mile away, my kicks is really head 10. I just put an ISO logo on a damn sweater vest. I got little money, watching power, give us our respect. Damn, I be so fresh, and them boys be so clean too. Had them looking mad hard, damn, I didn't mean to, yeah.
Shooting a commercial in a rainy day with one umbrella. Three big guys, one umbrella. What the hell?
I don't wanna take it too far. All I ever wanted was $10 million cash. quick.
Victor
Throw it on the floor cause I'm a bad bitch cabbage. I like a nigga that be cashing. I spin it all cause I ain't average. All I ever wanted was the moon and the stars. Switching niggas like these niggas switching cars. Told him, baby, look, you fucking with a star. I don't want
That sign need to change. Wait.
Drip man. Yeah, that boy pressed me. Head to toe, I'm gleaming. Yeah, I know they can't miss me. See a boy a mile away, my kicks is really head ting. Looking like that meme, then them boys really spitting. I just put an ISO logo on a damn sweater vest. I got little money watching Power.
Wow, wow. Look what you have done to this place. Good job, good job. Thanks for taking care of this place while I was gone. Here's coffee for you. Hey, actually, no, he drinks Milo.
He's calling me gay. I ain't gay.
Who drinks Milo? Anyway, really, good job. Thanks. Let's go and check out what's inside. Woo! Where's the Anne? I thought he's working today. Not today. Shush. Okay, let's get to work. So it's been a very stressful week for me. So yeah, I just thought, it would be a relaxing time to come out, take some photos of the usual. But yeah, there's no pressure. It's not for a client, so feels really good. Film this angle and realize it's a very dangerous angle to be filming. Stuff got hang out there, so
I just wanna win. On a higher resolution, now you gotta see me do it. Now you gotta see us on it. I don't even gotta flaunt it. I'ma put us all up on it. Big tracks, jumping out the devil.
one of the best biscuits
Got them big man, now they some
from
sad
India.
boys. Circa 90.
ရတယ်ပြီးအဲ့သူလမ်းလျှောက်တဲ့နေရာလေးကိုမင်းနည်းနည်းလေးပေါ့ဖြစ်
That
လိုက်
boy press me, head to toe, I'm gleaming. Yeah, I know they can't miss me. See a boy a mile away, my kicks is really head ting. Looking like that meme, then them boys really spitting. I just put out.
Alright guys, thought I was just come out here and talk a little bit. But yeah, lately I've been thinking, do I really have what it takes, to become really good and, to earn the kind of money that I have dreamed of? Because yeah, recently it has become really, stressful, tiring, takes a lot of my time just building on something. I mean, it's all fun and all. I mean, I really enjoy the journey, but yeah, at this point, I'm just getting really tired. And yeah, to be fair, I haven't really even focused on like playing like football or any other thing, any other fun stuff. To be honest, all the fun stuff that I like. So yeah, but I still want to push further. I still want to do more. It's just that a lot of the time I just have this feeling of honestly quitting. Yeah, and I get this feeling a lot lately. But yeah, looking at my idols, looking at other people who are doing really well, I'm just thinking like, whether I have what it takes to be like them, if they're doing that much, if they're earning that much, those sort of things. Yeah, by the way, I just make my first, 5 figures, and yeah, it's a low 5 figures. It's like 2, 3, but it's still a lot for me within the past 2 months. It's my first time earning this kind of income, apart from, those big projects that, I don't really earn by. I handle big projects that are more than 5 figures, 6 figures. But yeah, it's crazy to realize that, with this amount of money, I mean, this is really small, to be honest. In Singapore, there are so many people, there are pretty much like, a lot of people earning more than that. And yeah, it's crazy for me to know that, yeah, this is the kind of hours that they have to put through. This is the kind of work that they have to put through. I mean, it's coming from, my personal view, but wow, it's tough, guys. But yeah, we'll see how these things grow in the future and see if I can take it. But yeah, even though I have these thoughts, I just want to come out here and say that, this is not the end. I'm not gonna stop here. No matter what happens, I will still be grinding. I'll still push forward, push towards the financial goal that I want. So yeah, be it being delayed to post on YouTube, be it working 16 hours, 17 hours, I don't know, but I will get there. But I just want to tell you guys that I have these feelings like of giving up all the time. And yeah, sometimes I will even cry, honestly. But yeah, that's that. More work to do, but yeah, the journey continues.